Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have some men's multivitamin gummies, and they are probiotics and 9 EAAs and omega-3. So let me try to open this up here and I'll show you what we got. So if you want to know all the different things in there, these are your supplement facts. You could probably pause it and zoom in if you need it. I guess it's got all your different calories, basically 10 calories, pretty low. But let's see what these look like in here. So here is the jar. Oh, it's kind of clear little gummies. And I'll open this up. It does have this little seal there and seal here, but we will pop them open. And these are what the gummies look like. So they are squishy little gummies with a little cap on it. They look delicious. Tastes delicious too. So this is it here. So if you need some multivitamin gummies, I'm gonna say this looks like a good set. It's got some good stuff in it. So comes with 60 gummies. Looks good to me. Tastes good. Thumbs up.